Right. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions in Excel. And here we're given a data set of employees, their names, ages, and departments. Now the COUNTIF function is used when you only want to specify a single criteria. For example, here, if we press equals and type COUNTIF, we select our range, right? And let's say we want to count the number of employees that work in sales. So select our range as the following here, and our criteria would be sales. So what happens is COUNTIF only counts the data that contains sales. So in this case, we have one sales and we have two sales. That's why COUNTIF counts two. Now, for example, if we want to use COUNTIFs, we would use this function if there are multiple criteria. So for example, COUNTIFs, and our first criteria range would be, let's say, sales again, right? So let's highlight this, and our range would be the sales. And our second criteria would be, let's say, people above the age of 30. So we go highlight the ages, and our criteria would be like this: above or greater than 30. Whoops. Okay, close bracket and press enter. Now in this case, the COUNTIFs functions only returns one value, and that's because there's only one person here, Charlie, who does sales and is above 30, right? He's 35. Now Bob is not above 30. Alice is not above 30. She's 25, and that's why COUNTIFs did not include her in the calculation. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.